Overdose of sauce.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, he dropped the top on that bitch. He dropped top. We got a POV, man. GTR, Maserati. What did he say that was? What kind of Maserati that is? MC? That don't even matter. $300,000 car. Stop playing, man. MC20. Ooh. It's carbon fiber? Oh my God, you see the carbon fiber? Yeah, the whole door. YouTube. So look, man, we're gonna give y'all a quick look with the Maserati MC20, man. We got the 6-piston Brembos. You know, you got the big Maserati sign, man. Then we go, oh, what? It's giving me McLaren vibes.
You said I'll be breathing hard in the video, so I do it on first look. Let me hear.
So yeah, we outside, man. We got the Cielo. What is it called? Cielo? Cielo?
Sky.
Yeah. You know, 2023. You know, I'm a Maserati fan. Everybody hate me for it, but I love Maserati. So I told my girl I'm going to give me a Maserati too. I'm still finna get one. But look, man. So $320,000 car, man. Butterfly doors. You know what I'm saying? The works. I want to say it's 200 something on the dash, man.
I probably got the cheapest car. You know, it's got that G.
Hey, what's the top speed on it, you know?
I ain't went over 150.
Oh, okay.
It's got that GT.
I know that boy too.
GT lights almost, man.
They give me a McLaren vibe.
Yeah, dude.
They do. Oh, the guys that
It's a mission McLaren.
This crazy.
and a little bit of right in the back.
Yeah, no, that's hard.
The McLarens and the crew. Wait to see these cats.
They got some crazy.
Well, I told them after later on, I'm taking them to Ali spot. Yeah. And then remember I drove that F12. I was gonna tell my boy to just fly out with the drone through here real quick, but I can't get a hold of it. But I got the whole car wrapped.
That's crazy. Oh, I see what you. So it got cameras all around, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So
That's
ain't
crazy. Ain't no blind spots. Yeah. And it's gonna alert you too. Them seats crazy too.
Got stuff on the inside, even in the mirror, it turns into a camera. The mirror.
Oh, the mirror turned to a camera. Look at this. It's crazy, man.
That's no good. Yeah. The gas is better.
Oh, we going Corsa and all that too?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, that's raw as hell.
Got Corsa, got Wimbo for the rain.
That's crazy.
You didn't get the fishbowl? Nah.
Y'all know I'm a Maserati fan, bro. Man, so what I be doing, man, I just be showing y'all cars, showing y'all how, you know what I'm saying, how it look to be around this type of stuff. A lot of y'all might not never see these in y'all life, so that's why I be showing y'all this stuff. But it's a quick little vlog on the Maserati, man, the MC20 2023. Feel me? It's MC 2023. Gone? All right, man. Be careful. Be careful, man.